the big thing to notice is status. All right. Status drives a lot of your ability. Everyone wants to close, right? That's the fun part. Teach me some closing lines. Teach me pickup lines. Teach me, ways to close, right? But let me teach you my best close. Guys, we're out of time. What should we be doing together? I have to jet. That's the close. Now, that's very powerful. What should we be doing together? Right? But the reason you can use that close is when you open high status and you open as an expert and you have tons of actual and perceived value, then you have something to take away. And the reason I wanted to go there is because I had on my podcast, Anthony Scaramucci, who was the White House communications director for 11 days. He's on CNN. Maybe he looks a little bit goofy online to you, but he is he worked for Goldman Sachs, manages a $4 billion fund, graduated Harvard Business School, has a degree in finance. Like and he was at the White. He's a real dude. So I get on the podcast and he just flashed it and I can see he's doing his own stuff. He probably doesn't know my name. The PR director just, booked us. And I'm like, this guy's going to be a problem because he's just going to phone it in. And you could see that I don't like phoned in interviews, right? So he's just going to phone it in. He's probably not even looking in the camera. And it's just going to be this smooth, hey, I was White House director, Trump and blah, 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 right? Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. So he comes on and I go, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited to have here today. And it's unbelievable that I was able to get such a guest to this podcast. It's really unthinkable. Somebody I've been wanting to talk to for many, many years. I'd like to introduce you to Kathy West from ARK Investments. And he goes, what? I'm not Kathy. I'm like, what? You're not, who are you? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? So status works both ways. When somebody comes in super high status, right? They're going to, when somebody feels powerful over you, they don't listen well. They don't see you as a person. They see you transactionally, and they take risks with you that they wouldn't take with a peer or somebody more powerful than them. So when people believe that they are higher status than you or more powerful than you, again, this is so important. They take risks they wouldn't take otherwise. They see you transactionally and only as a surface level and aren't interested in you. All right. And so sometimes you've got to lower somebody's status, which is tricky, but just showed you there how to do it.